Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to remove hair from a hairbrush. In this video, I'll be going over a simple tutorial for removing all of this hair from the bristles of the hairbrush. It's an easy way to clean your hairbrush and get rid of all of that old hair that's caught in the bristles. With that being said, let's get right into the video. All that you'll need is a pen and a pair of scissors and obviously the hairbrush that is full of hair. What you want to do is you want to take the pen and get the pointy part of the pen and you want to just sort of feed it through the bristle area and then pull up just like that. And what that's going to do is that's going to get all of that hair that's been caught in the bristles just like this, and it's going to actually pull it up. It's not going to really remove much of the hair, although you can see there are some hairs right there. But it's actually going to just lift the hairs off away from the bristles, which is the first step. I'm just trying to stay on the camera frame right there, which is the first step in this process. You want to just continue to do this over and over and over again. Okay, and once you've done that, you can see there's a lot of hair that's just coming up right now. And once you've done that, you want to get the scissors and you want to cut the hair that you see. Now, you want to be careful to not cut the bristles themselves, but you just want to cut the hair that you see. And what that's going to do, you can even try cutting it like this, is that's going to make it nice and easy for you to pull the hair out from the hairbrush. So I'm just going through with the scissors here and I'm just sort of cutting the hair that's sticking out from the hairbrush, just like that. And now what I'm going to do, once I've gone all around the hairbrush, and obviously you can do this with a round brush, with a flat brush, with any kind of brush, but once you've done that, you want to take your hands and you want to use your hands to just pull out the hair, because now it should be loose enough to actually be removed from the hairbrush. So what you want to do is just go through the hairbrush with your fingers, comb your fingers through those bristles and just remove the hair. Now, once you've done that, you're going to look at the hairbrush and take a look at how much hair is left in the hairbrush. Now, in this case, there's just a little bit of hair left. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to once again go through with the pen, doing the exact same thing again. Going through with the pen, trying to get those leftover strands of hair that are just caught in the brush, just like that. Continue doing this over and over again until you've just basically removed all of the hair. Now, once again, now that I'm done with the pen, I'm just going to use the scissors and I'm just going to go ahead and cut all of those hairs that are just caught in those bristles. And slowly but surely, you will remove all of the hair from the hairbrush. And it actually doesn't take that long. This brush actually had quite a bit of hair caught in it, but you know, it doesn't really take that long for the most part. So now I'm just going to go ahead with my hands, and as you can see, I'm just pulling out all of these additional pieces of hair over here that are caught in the bristles. You can sort of see right there that there are just a few pieces of hair that are caught, and you're just going to continually do this over and over and over again until you get all of the hair out. It is a decently lengthy process. I mean, it doesn't take that long, but considering the fact that you won't have to do this that often, it's something that you only do every once in a while. Once your hairbrush gets, full of hair, it's actually a fairly simple process when you consider the fact that it's something that only has to be done every once in a while. But that's basically it. In this video, I have shown you how to remove hair from a hairbrush. It's an awesome step that you should be taking if you want to clean your hairbrush. And once again, just make sure to continue to just repeat this over and over again until your hairbrush is free of any stray hairs. And that's basically it. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.